This is the Irontrader. Now the pitch is closed here at 2:30. That was about 20 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, before we get started here, OPEC was supposed to have their meeting on Sunday. That was the 26th. They moved that till Thursday, so that's next Thursday, the 30th. There's a big brouhaha going on there because Saudi Arabia has been doing these volunteer 1 million barrel cuts, and I guess Russia was doing 300,000 barrels. And so they want to get if you take down the supply, then you can get that price right on up here. So what they're doing here is now, but other OPEC nations here are basically adding supply on because they want the money. So Saudi Arabia is not really happy about this. So they are going to have still an in-person meeting, but it's not going to be to the 30th. Now you can see crude reflected it, and it came all the way down, but rallied hard. I mean, what a great trading day. I mean, UCO, take it down to 27.71. I'm in at 28 flat. It's sitting at almost 30 now. Same way with the natural gas. What a great day. I was in cold, and then I scalped the point out of cold, and then I jumped right into the UNG. I'm in on UNG at 585. It's sitting at $6 here right now. So just a great trading day. If you watch my video this morning, man, I could describe the, crude and natural gas in 2 words: boring. Go on to something else. But man, it just came back with a vengeance. What a great trading day. All right, let's take a look here at the charts. Now, I'm always pointing out this 8 SMA here, okay? So right there, the real-time price is 76.86. Your 8-day is 76.85. So you're sitting right above that. Now, let's look at the downside, okay? So you always want to look at that 8-day. That is going to be key, even though you put a real good stick in there and you went above it, closed above it, 76.85. Now, again, if that is lost here, then we just follow these candles down. So you want to look to the top of that candle. You're looking at 76.19. Look to the bottom of this candle here, 75.41. Then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 75.31, 75.21, and this is the big boy right here, 74.91. Now you can see where that held it up really, really nice, okay? And then what we want to do is go to this monthly chart here, okay? Watch this key, 73.26. Very, very key level there of support here. And then you always look at the day's low here, okay? So today's low, we hit 73.79 here, okay? So that is very good here, but this is going to be the key level here also, is this 73.26. If that is lost here, then we come down to this candle here, 72.91, and then your retest here of 72.37. Again, if that is lost here, right here, there's your target is going to be 70.16, your 200 SMA, and then we come down here to this 50 SMA here, sitting at 68.79 here. Okay, so that's the downside. So again, just watch that key 8 SMA, very, very key. Follow these candlesticks down. Watch this key level right here, that 74.91. Watch today's low, very, very crucial, 73.79, and then this 200-day here at 73.26. If that's lost, retest there is 72.37. That's lost, 70.16. Now, upside, you can see how easy this is, okay? You basically want to look here, bottom line here, at the 200-day. So we look at that 200-day. What is it at? 78.19, okay? Very, very crucial. So far, you just can't see. You can get above it, but you can't close above it. So that is going to be crucial. Next level is going to be this 50-day here, 78.30. Okay, above that here, then we come to this 8 SMA here at 78.62. And then right above the whole 9 is right here is 79.21. So if you can close above this 50, this 250-day and this key 8 SMA here, then 79.21, your 21-day is the target. Okay, above that, we look here. All right, so then what do we have? 79.77, and then we want to look to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 80.10, and then we come over to this 8 SMA here, 81.90, and then we have your 82.38, that's your 100-day, and then we have right here 82.55, that's your 21-day. Above that, you got 84.36 and then 85.90. But all this here, I just give you this here. So those are your targets because we trade one level at a time. If you can close above here, then we go to here. Goes above there, go there. Close above there, then we can go there. But right now on the upside, you got to watch this key 200 SMA. That is crucial. This 50-day, very crucial. The 8-day here on your monthly chart, very, very crucial. Okay, so we got to see how this is all going to shake out here. If it can get kind of a bump and go on up here. Now, your MACD here, well, your green is above your red here, but now they flattened out here, so we don't know exactly what that's going to do. Your RSI here could go either way here. The MACD here on your weekly chart, that's still bearish. So really, right now, you're kind of, it's a scalping trade here. I mean, it's a beautiful trade, but it just scalp. It's not something to say, hey, man, I can go all balls out long here or all balls out short. It's just not going to work here in on the crude here. So bottom line here, watch this key 8 SMA on the downside. Watch the key 200-day here on the old upside. All right, let's take a look here at natty gas. Okay, here we have natural gas. All right, we have your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now you can see where you made the nice double top here. Okay, with the lower high, sold right on off here, sideways action, and then lower all the way down to this basically 8.2 level. Okay, that's where we were looking for. Now on the upside here, what we need to do is it has to get above that price channel, basically 2.91. If you can hit this 2.93 and head for that 3.04. On your 4-hour chart here, right here, you got to get above, close above here, 2.89, and you got to have this. Next one is that 3.03 here, which lines up with this 200-day. If you can get above 308 and then 318, that is where your targets are here. Now, you got a good sideways action here with a bunch of lower lows here. But again, you rallied right on up here. The key is going to be getting above that 2.92. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly chart. All right, here we have natty gas. I mean, a daily and a weekly chart. Okay, so we can see what we said. Now, I've been pointing out here this key support levels here, okay? 2.853. Okay, there's your 100-day here. Okay, your 50-day here, roughly 84. Your 2.84 here on your 21. That is very, very crucial. Now, look at today's low, 2.819. What did I say is going to go here if it sold right on off? Right to this candle here, 2.82. Okay, I mean, that is right there. Okay, now if it got lower than that, then we look to this top of this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.78, but it never got down there. This area here is really good support, and so far it held it. Okay, so basically what we want to do here is we want to look here on the upside here. So what you got here is you got basically that 2.92. You want to come to this candle here. This is that 2.95. And then this is going to be very critical here. This is basically 3.01. You need to get above that area. If you're not, that's going to stop it right in its tracks. If you can, we look at this 50 SMA here, okay, 3.05. Then we look to the top of this candle here at 3.11. And then we come over to this 8 SMA, 3.15, and then 3.86. Those are going to be your targets here, okay? So bottom line here, you want to watch this 2.82, which lines up right very, very nicely with that, okay? If that's lost, look here for this 2.78 here, and if that's all lost, you could come right down here to this 2.61 here. But you're getting right here on this MACD here. The MACD is getting, like it wants to just kind of roll up here. So we got to see how this shakes up. And again, if this rallies up here, like on Friday here, you want to watch this 8 SMA here, 3.02. And then if you can get above, watch that 50, 3.05 here. Watch the top of that candle, 311, okay, 315, and then 3.18 if you can rally up. Now today, the scalping was just absolutely great there. The cold and the UNG there, I mean, it's just like, wow, it was just really, really good trading here in the natural gas here. So we got to just see how it all going to shake out here. Now, crude oil, natural gas, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I won't have nothing there for you. We'll see how maybe it opens up here on Thanksgiving night. If not, it'll be Friday morning. I'll be back, and we'll do a video there on the crude oil and natural gas and get you going there for Friday because, you got a half-a-day trading day. But, to me, the market's open, I'm open. That's just how that works. So everybody have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you either Thursday night or Friday morning. Thanks for watching.